You've got your phone in your hand. You're probably scrolling through social media, checking emails, or maybe even playing a game. But let's be real, one of the most common things we do on our phones is manage our money. Whether it's checking your balance, paying bills, or sending cash to a friend, our smartphones have become our personal financial assistants. So, let's talk about one of the most popular ways to send money these days, Zelle. You've probably heard of Zelle. It's that lightning-fast way to send money directly from your bank account to someone else's. But here's the burning question, does SoFi Bank use Zelle? I know, it seems like a simple question, but trust me, the answer isn't always straightforward. So, let's dive in. SoFi has been making waves in the financial world. They offer everything from student loan refinancing to investing. But does that include Zelle? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. To understand why, we need to talk a bit about how Zelle works. Unlike traditional money transfer services, Zelle is built directly into your bank's app. That means you don't need a separate account or app. You just use the same login information you use for your banking. This makes it super convenient, but it also means that not every bank supports Zelle. So, where does SoFi fit in? Well, SoFi is a bit of a unique player in the banking world. They offer a number of financial products, including checking and savings accounts. But they also position themselves as a tech company. This means they're always looking for new and innovative ways to do things. And it turns out, SoFi has embraced Zelle. That's right, you can send and receive money using Zelle directly through your SoFi app. This is great news for SoFi customers because it means you can enjoy the speed and convenience of Zelle without having to switch to a different bank. But wait, there's more. SoFi has actually gone a step further with Zelle. They've integrated Zelle into their entire banking experience. So, not only can you send money to friends and family using Zelle, but you can also use it to pay bills and even transfer money between your different SoFi accounts. This level of integration is pretty impressive. It shows that SoFi is committed to providing its customers with the best possible banking experience. And by offering Zelle, they're making it even easier for people to manage their money on the go. So, to answer the question we started with, does SoFi Bank use Zelle? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, SoFi has fully embraced Zelle and integrated it into their banking platform. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.